Shake up your breakfast game with this punchy little dal with split peas, lentils, cooked in vegetable stock with some soft boiled eggs. All right, to kick off our dal, first we're going to fry off some curry leaves, crisp them up in butter. Set some of them aside till later, then take our curry leaf infused butter and fry off some onion, ginger and garlic. All right, so we've cooked down the onions. Next, we're going to go in with the garam masala and the curry powder. Give that a little stir, and then finally add the split peas and the lentils. We're going to lightly toast these and then add our vegetable stock. All right, so first of all, our beautiful dal in a bowl. To freshen it up, some yoghurt, soft-boiled egg, crispy bacon, some fresh watercress, our crispy curry leaves. Cheeky taste. Little breakfast dreams right there. Super tasty, way better than cereal. It's actually lovely.